In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts to Mailchimp emails. When you're designing an email in Mailchimp, the font you choose has a big impact on how professional and readable your message feels. The good news is, you don't need anything advanced or complicated to get started. Mailchimp already includes a variety of built-in fonts, and using them is the fastest and most reliable way to customize the look of your text. First, open your email campaign in the Mailchimp editor and make sure you're in the design view where you can see your layout. Look over your email and decide which part of the text you want to style. Maybe it's your headline, a subheading, or the main body copy. Next, click directly on a text content block. This is any section in your layout that holds text, such as a heading block or a paragraph block. When you click it, the editing panel should open and you'll see your text cursor appear inside that block. This tells you that you're now editing that specific piece of content. Now, highlight the exact words or sentences you want to change. You can click and drag over a single word, a whole line, or the entire paragraph. Highlighting is important because any font changes you make will only apply to the selected text. If you don't highlight anything, the editor might apply the change to all the text in that block, which you may or may not want. Once your text is highlighted, look for the editor toolbar that appears above or beside the text area. In that toolbar, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled for fonts. Click on that font drop-down to open the list of available typefaces. These are Mailchimp's built-in fonts, which are designed to display consistently across most email clients and devices. Scroll through the list and choose the typeface that best matches your brand or the tone of your message. When you click a font, you'll instantly see the highlighted text update in the preview, so you can quickly judge whether it feels right. If it doesn't, simply open the drop-down again and try a different option until you're happy with how it looks. After you've selected your font, take a moment to review your entire email. Make sure your headings, subheadings, and body text feel consistent and easy to read. When everything looks good, you're ready to continue designing or move on to testing and sending your campaign.